Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your guy Samsudin again. So today we'll be installing Java on this platform so that we can start development of Java programs immediately. As we all know, for every programming languages, we require a development environment, which is a composition of all the necessary tools that we require to install to start developing the said program on that platform. So here today, like I said, we'll be installing Java on Windows, Linux, and the Mac operating system. Hi, so we'll begin by installing our Java environment on Windows platform here. As you can see, I have my Windows laptop open here. So we'll start by installing our Java environment. But before we do that, we'll be installing a very vital and a very useful package manager that will help us carry out swift installation on our laptop with very little configuration to do. So this package manager is called Chocolatey. It's a very wonderful package manager for installing software tools on Windows. So here, before we go ahead, we have to open our PowerShell in administrative mode. So we can search for PowerShell and run as administrator. Let me maximize this and zoom in a little bit, zoom in, so that I'll be able to see clearly the commands that I'll be running. So the very first thing here is to check the execution policy on this profile here. So to do that, we say get execution policy. This will usually tell us either restricted or all signed. If you get a restricted response, then you will need to change it to all signed. What this is telling us is it is telling us if we have enough rights to execute script on this profile here. So let's go ahead and run get execution. So for me, it is set to all signed. If on your platform you are getting restricted, you simply need to run this command: set execution policy all signed, and that will set the execution policy to all signed. So after that, I'll be pasting a very lengthy command here. I'm going to add it to the description of this video so that you can follow along. And that command is this. So this command simply downloads the Chocolatey installer and run the installation for us in a breeze. So we'll let it do its thing. You can see installation is in progress. Installation was very short, and you see here says that Chocolatey CLI is now ready. So for us to confirm this installation, we can go ahead and say Choco. So as at the recording of this video, Chocolatey is at version 2.3.0. When you will be watching, there might be an higher version of Chocolatey already available. So that is not a problem. So the next thing for us to do now is to now install the Java development kit itself, which is referred to as JDK. We have many variants of the Open JDK out there. We have the Eclipse Temurin, we have the Amazon Corretto, we have the Zulu, Zulu variant from Azul, and we have another variant from Microsoft. I can't remember the the name right now. So we have quite a lot of variant, but for me, I enjoy using the Zulu. So we'll be installing JDK17 right now, because JDK17 is currently LTS, meaning long time support. We have JDK all the way to 21, but I will be installing JDK17 for us. So to do that, we just simply run Choco install Zulu 17. So like I said, this will install the Zulu variant of Java from Azul at version 17. So I hit enter. So we see the installation is going on. So simply enter Y and let it download and the package. So you see the installation, the downloading is going on here. So this actually saves us the hassle of having to go to download it, then click on the MSI package and follow through a number of clicks to install them. After that installation, we now have to set Java to add Java to our path. So, but with this, we see that with just one single command, we are able to install JDK, that is the Java Development Kit, on our laptop. So now we're to go ahead and check Java version. You might enter Java version, but it's most likely not going to work here because the path has just been updated. So we'll usually have to close the this profile and open a fresh profile. So here we see that it says the term Java is not recognized. So what you simply have to do is close this. So right now we can open any other terminal. We can simply use our regular command prompt or our terminal, or if we like, we can simply go back to our PowerShell. But let's use terminal here. So, and we also don't need to open this in administrator mode, because what we are doing here is not going to be affecting the OS itself. So I will zoom in. I will zoom in here. So version. So we see that we have OpenJDK 17.0. So like I said, this is in LTS. This LTS means long-term support, meaning that the developers of Java will continue supporting this version for a while until they decide to drop the support. And what this support means is that updates is going to be coming in for this version, and we currently have the Zulu 17 variant. So as you will see here, it is quite easy to install the Java on Windows using Choco. So the next installation that we are going to be going to carry out now is going to be on our Mac OS. We have our Mac OS platform here. So to install Java, we'll start with opening our terminal. So for like we have it, like we used Choco in Windows, here we'll be using SDKMAN to install Java here. SDKMAN is a very wonderful SDK manager used for installing different SDK tools that we'll be needing. So here we'll begin by typing. So here we'll begin by typing call. This command is going to be added to the description of this video so that we can follow along. Get SDKMan.io. bash. So this is going to download and install SDKMAN. So the next thing we want to do is to type, let me clear this, zoom in a bit. So we'll continue by typing source home.sdkman bin sdkman init.sh. So we can now go ahead and check our SDK version to ensure that it's properly installed. So we have SDKMAN installed here. Then we go ahead to install Java. So for this like we install Zulu on our Windows, we will go ahead and also do the same. So to do that, we say SDK install Java, SDK install Java 11.0.3 Zulu. So here we don't have this version available. So what we can go ahead to do is SDK list Java grep Zulu. So this is going to list the available SDK we have. So pardon me, it's supposed to install the 17 version. So we go ahead and say SDK install Java. We'll be picking this 17.0.11, 17.0.11 Zulu. So this is going to download and install the JDK 17 for us as well. So we have that installed already. So let's quickly check our Java version. You see we have OpenJDK 17, Zulu 17 as well, just like how we have it on the Windows platform. So for us to carry out this operation on Ubuntu, this you can also use SDKMAN to install on Ubuntu as well with the same command, and you are going to get the same result as well. Hope we've been able to see how we can install JDK on the different platforms, and this constitutes of our Java development environment, as we can see here. So in our next video, we are going to be looking at how in our next video, we are going to be looking at the structure of Java and having a brief background of Java to enable us to start coding in Java. So do endeavor to like, share, and subscribe this video, and also put on the notification bell so that you will be getting new content immediately as they drop. Thank you. See you next time.